We are now going to construct the peg leg. Again, there's several different ways to do this and many different ways to think about it. Mr. Moe and I and the manufacturer have had many discussions on how to do this, and because we want to make many of these pegboards, approximately 10,000 of them, we want to be able to do it in a mass production way. And in the final analysis, we have determined to make each one of the peg legs the same size as the peg board, in that it will be 3/4 of an inch thick, 0.75, and it will be 5.75 inches high, 5.75, and when we extrude it, we will extrude it to 3 inches wide, the same as that. What we have also done is devised a way. We need to put a groove in here. Notice on the one that Mr. Moe had bought in China, there's a groove, and when it's properly glued, it will fit in there nice and snug. Note that the board is 0.75 inches wide, and what we need is a groove that's going to be in the center, and that will be 0.75 inches this way, and come in half the distance between here and here, which will be half of 0.75, which this is the center spot right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and do the 2-point rectangle with the center, and I'm going to line that up on the center. And I have determined that if I do make this 0.75 and do the tab and do 0.75, that creates a square right there. And there's other ways to do this. There's a reason why we're doing this, to show you some of the other functionalities that we have with this program. I will now hit the escape key. I will take and go over the number 0.750. I will right click on it and I will delete that dimension. I will come to this one and I will also delete that dimension. I will then do some trimming. So I go up and click on the trim function. With that, I can remove line segments, one line segment at a time. With this, I have now removed all of these little lines, and now when I hit the E key, I will be able to click on that, and I will bring it to the zoom, and I want to be the same width as the other one, so I will make that 3 inches. I now have a peg leg, and this has got the slot so that the peg board can slide into it. We'll be able to apply some good glue and it will stay together. I'm going to go to the golden eye and do a save as and call it peg leg. And this time I'm going to go down and click on the save button. I am now ready to do an assembly of the peg legs to the peg board.